Hi guys, are you a fan of Snapchat? Do you often find yourself using the app in low light situations? Well, good news for you. Snapchat has a dark mode feature that can make using the app easier on your eyes, and it's easy to use. To get started, open the Snapchat app on your device. Next, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Now tap on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen to open the settings menu. Scroll down until you see the app appearance option and tap on it. Here you'll see the three options: the match system, the always light, and the always dark. Now tap on always dark to enable dark mode. And then once you enabled dark mode, the app's background will be black and the text icons will be white. And that's it. You can now use Snapchat in dark mode, making it easier for your eyes when you're using the app in low light situations. So now, thanks for watching and happy snapping. Bye bye.